What's good, YouTube? It's Lord Shift here. We're back at it again with another banger video. As you can see by the title, man, today we're gonna be doing a POV drive in a rainstorm. As you can see, it's storming like fuck outside. Well, not as bad as it was earlier, but it's still pouring. As you guys can see, this shit looks bad. Not gonna lie. But we're gonna put the windows up because this shit getting all over my arm and shit. I'm gonna do a calm little ASMR POV drive in the rain. So sit back, grab a snack, enjoy this little POV, and we're gonna turn up for y'all. Stay tuned until the end. Make sure y'all smash that like button, of course. Definitely subscribe if you're new to my channel, and comment, you know, straight fire emojis. Comment if you have any questions or concerns. I'll be happy to answer all of you guys. So let's get straight to it, y'all. Let me change the lighting on the interior first, because I always do purple. We're gonna change the lighting and then get started. All right, y'all, let's get to it. All right, guys, getting ready to go on this little drive. As you can see, well, you can't see because I can't even see shit. So let me turn my windshield wipers on because this rain is coming down. Hold on, y'all. Nah, that's too fast right there. That's calm. All right, y'all. What y'all think we should do? Track mode, traction off, like all the way off. Let's go.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's like, nah, I ain't gonna kill myself for this video. We gonna go in, we gonna stay in street mode, which is regular mode, stock mode. So as soon as you get the Charger RT, if you're in the market for one, this is the mode you're gonna have. Why am I turning my traction off? What the fuck? There we go. So I'm gonna drive like a regular, normal pedestrian because, you know, these wet roads ain't safe. Especially in a rear wheel drive car. These wet roads are not safe at all. That's one thing you gotta know when you get a car like this. You gotta drive slow as fuck. And of course we get a fucking light. All right, guys, so we might as well just talk. What do you guys think about my POV drives? Y'all like them? Like I said, I give it a break because I know I do a lot of them. When I was in the market for a RT, man, I was always looking up POV drives, Dodge Charger RT POV, nighttime POV, city POV. I was looking up hella POV drives in this car. Now I'm that nigga that's giving y'all content of straight POV drives. And I really hope y'all enjoy my videos, man. Without you guys, I wouldn't be continuing my YouTube channel and dropping videos. So I want to say I really appreciate all you guys who stay tuned in, especially to the ones who got my post notifications on. But even if you subscribe, you know, I really appreciate all y'all, man. It means a lot. We're on the road to 10K, but let's make some type noise. We gotta make some type noise. This ain't gonna be a dry ass POV, but we also gotta have some ASMR in this motherfucker. So we ain't gonna speed or nothing, but we gonna cruise. So once again, grab a snack, sit back, and enjoy this little POV, man. It is traffic, so I'm gonna try to bust a U-turn. Or should we get some highway action? I'm low-key feeling some highway action. What y'all think? Bro, I gotta get over first. Actually, nah, that's doing too much because I would have to get all the way over there to get on the highway. So I'm gonna just chill right here. This road ain't too bad. Like, I can cruise on this road and shit. Y'all fuck with the interior though. Like, this gotta be one of the hardest RTs in my area right now. Like, we got the green LED ambient lighting on the sides. Then we got the green stars. Like, this is tanny, bro. I'm gonna try to hold the camera up higher too so you guys can actually see. One thing I meant to mention in my last video, if you haven't tuned into that, make sure you go tune into my last video that I dropped about daily driving a Charger RT. Oh shit, daily driving a Charger RT. One thing I forgot to mention is if you haven't test drove in this car and you're just going to get the car and you think you're just gonna buy it and you're looking at an SRT body style, one of the first things I noticed when I got in this seat right here, in this driver's seat, is how fat this fucking car is, bro. Never would have thought I'd be whipping this shit how I am. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I be moving through traffic sometimes. When you first get in, like that fat ass hood scoop, I know you guys can see it. Like, that shit's huge. You'll see, man. Wait till you get the car. You gotta be the SRT body style. Or if you have the V6 body style RT and you're planning on getting a SRT hood, like with that fat ass hood scoop, this is all you're gonna see. Like, that shit's just thrax, like big as shit in your way. It's not as bad as the Mustang shits. You know, the Mustang niggas be having the fat ass hoods. Aftermarket hoods though, not stock. But our shit stock looks crazy, like it's just there. It look good though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it makes you feel good. Like, knowing that you have a hood scoop and you got a V8, like, makes you feel good. Shout out to my V6 owners too, man. We ain't forget about y'all. My Hellcat owners, my Demon owners, my Jailbreak owners. Shout out to every Mopar owner, man. Y'all really them for real. Not just the RT niggas. But feel me, I'm trying to take over the 5.7 RT industry on YouTube, so I'm trying to help people out. Cause I was once in y'all shoes, man. I was always looking up videos on RTs before I got it. Now I'm in here and it's already been damn near a year. And this shit just feels good. I'm just here to inspire people. Feel me? Make sure y'all get what y'all like or what y'all want. If y'all don't want the RT, if y'all don't like this trim, go with a Scat. If you don't have Scat bread or RT bread, go with a V6. But the RT's not bad. Got that little grumble. Let me give y'all a little rev real quick. Slap this motherfucker in the neutral real quick. Oh, hold on. Yeah. That V8 grumble, man, that shit ain't no joke. But, you know, you always gonna have them haters. That shit sound good, but it's slow. Hating ass niggas. You always gonna have them niggas that just hate. It's gonna be a calm little video. I'm gonna try not to talk as much. I know I'm talking a lot right now, but and y'all tired of hearing these windshield wipers. This supposed to be an ASMR and I'm fucking talking my ass off, bro. Why didn't y'all tell me to shut the fuck up? I'm talking like crazy, bro. Once I bust this UE, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna just let the engine do what it gotta do, man. Turn y'all volume all the way up. Y'all don't gotta hear my voice no more. And yeah, just grab a snack, y'all. Just sit back and enjoy. Let's get it. Alright guys, I know y'all probably bored, probably falling asleep and shit. But you know, I just wanted you guys to enjoy the POV drive without me talking. I talked for damn near half of the video. But I think I'm gonna stop at this next light, not this one, but the next one. And then end the video there. Oh, is that a cop? I don't know, and I don't give a fuck. I'll just run away from him in the rain. It's like, nah. It's like, nah, I don't do that. I don't do that shit. This RT would probably get caught. A Hellcat would get caught if it tried to run away from a cop in the rain. Any rear-wheel drive car would get caught. That'll be bad. If you try to run away from a cop in the rain, bro, you're dicked. But as you guys can see, man, we approached that next light. So before we end this video, I just wanted to say, make sure y'all smash that like button, of course. Definitely subscribe if you're new to my channel. Comment straight fire emojis or questions or concerns that you guys have. We're at 9,000 subscribers right now, man. I need y'all, or 8,700, some shit like that. 10K is on the way. I need y'all to shout my YouTube channel out for me. Help me get to 10K. We so close, y'all, so close. Just keep tapping into my videos, man. Get my channel out there. If you guys don't already know, my Instagram, my car page is 345.LordShift. So mention me on your stories. Get my channel out there. Help me get 10K. But we ain't gonna do too much talking, man. We just gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's LordShift. And we out.